Welcome to Muratori Machines. Today, we'd like to highlight the importance of maintaining a clean work table during automatic panel loading. Every Ranger CNC panel router can be equipped with an automatic panel loading system. Once a panel is lifted from the stack, the machine automatically transfers it onto the work table and precisely positions it for machining. When processing aluminum composite material, ACM, or solid aluminum panels, keeping the work table always clean is critical and time-consuming. Even small aluminum chips or debris trapped between the panel and the spoil board can cause scratching. In many cases, these defects aren't discovered until after fabrication, resulting in wasted material, lost production, time, and unnecessary cost. The Ranger vertical table design already provides a significant advantage. Most chips and debris naturally fall on the floor instead of remaining to the spoil board. However, high-speed spindle and advanced cutting tools produce extremely fine aluminum shavings that potentially could become embedded into the MDF spoil board. To ensure every panel is loaded onto a clean work surface, the Ranger can be equipped with an optional rotating table cleaning brush. When the vacuum caps capture the panel, the rotating brush is activated and is sent to the spoil board for the cleaning. The panel and the brush are moving to the end of the spoil board where the machine will place the panel to be processed. The cleaning process is in the same time as the panel positioning. This allows to save precious time. As a part of the automated process, the brush removes fine aluminum shavings, which are then extracted through the integrated dust collection hose, or are allowed to fall to the floor before the next panel is loaded. The result is simple: a clean table, protected panels, reliable automation, maximum productivity. That's the Muratori machine's advantage. Thank you very much for watching, and see you into the next video.